araw mga kahardin. Ngayong araw ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-propagate ang Aglaonema. Welcome back! Again, I am Ma'am Marlene, the owner of Jardin de Marlene. Sa lahat na nanood, nag-like at nag-subscribe ng aming channel, salamat sa inyong lahat. So now, ipapakita ko sa inyo on how to propagate your Aglaonemas. Pipiliin yung mga lush and healthy plants nyo like this. Okay? Marami ng babies. Okay, ready for separation na from the mother plant. Kasi there are two types of propagation. The separation of the baby plant from the mother plant and the stem cuttings. I-choose mo yung stem na matured enough to be cut. This one is also ready for stem cutting. So, look at this Aglaonema plant, very lush. Pwede itong stem cut for propagation and also the separation of these baby plants from the mother plants. Look, marami ng babies, ang lush. Step 2 on our propagation of our Aglaonemas. So, i-prepare natin ang ating mga kailanganin na mga materials like these plastic pots. We have different sizes, the big one, the medium, and the small pots. Depende yon sa laki ng ating i-propagate na Aglaonema. So we also have this plastic scoop used for transferring your soil to your pots. Then the plant scissor for our stem cutting. Then our soil 3-in-1 mix. In Jardin de Marlene, we use this soil in our plants. First, we have this loam soil, our base soil. Next is this carbonized rice hull, serve as conditioner and fertilizer to our plants. And lastly, the vermicast. Ang pinakita ko sa inyo last time na proven and tested to make your plant grow lush and beautiful. So this is now the finished product. 2 parts of loam soil, 1 part of carbonized rice hull, and 1 part vermicast. As you see, marami tayong ginawang mix kasi marami tayong plants na i-propagate. Mga kahardin, let's now proceed to the propagation process. Ipakilala ko sa inyo si Inday Maria. Inday Maria! Siya ang aking assistant sa Jardin de Marlene. Step 3, sisimulan na natin ang pag-uproot ng ating plant to be propagated. We will uproot very carefully this very lush plant. So we will separate this baby plant from this mother plant very carefully. Yung reason of uprooting para makita talaga natin na when we cut the roots, it is safe, no? Makita talaga natin yung roots like this. So, tanggalin natin yung mga soil to really see the roots before separation. Make sure that lahat na soil talagang matanggal. Okay? Sanitize this with an alcohol, or you may wash with soap and water. Okay? So, let's now begin the cutting. Nakita na natin ang baby roots. Then we start to cut. Okay. So look, this is now the baby plant separated from the mother plant, ready for replant. So, ito na yung mga baby plants na separate natin sa kanilang mga mother plant. Tingnan nyo ang healthy nila. So, they are now ready for planting. Imagine from this mother, we have produced beautiful 6 babies. And that's the proof of our vermicast fertilizer. And now, I will show you propagation using the stem cutting. Make sure that your plant is ready for stem cutting when it is mature and adult. Okay? You will measure 6 inches from the top to bottom. Then there you will cut. Okay, 6 inches, maybe from here. So we will cut this with a plant scissor. Okay, so here it is now, ready for planting. And we can replant this mother to former babies. Start na tayo ng replanting. First, lagyan natin ng 2 to 3 inches thick yung pot natin ng soil. Then, ilagay na natin yung stem cutting natin. Then, lagyan ng soil up to the brim of your pot. So, ito na. So, ang soil dapat hanggang dito. You press the soil to make your plant stable. So, ito na yung stem cutting natin. Right after na i-replant na natin yung stem cutting, i-dilig natin right away. So, dapat gagamit tayo ng sprinkler para hindi masira yung ng soil. So, ito na ang mga finished product ng ating Aglaonema propagation. This is the mother stem. And this is the top cut. And these are the babies or the daughter plants from our mother plants. So, Maria will do the propagation with other Aglaonema. Aww. So, ito na ang na-propagate natin through baby separations and stem cuttings. Mga kahardin, remember the steps in propagation. Step 1. Look for your Aglaonema na may marami ng mga babies at may matured stem na ready for propagation. Step 2. Prepare your materials for propagation like your pots, the soil. Step 3. Repotting of our baby Aglaonemas and stem cuttings. Step 4. The watering of our repotted plants. Dito nagtatapos ang ating video. Sana may natutunan kayo. Please click like and subscribe. May kasabihan tayo, hangat ang may alam. May God bless us all. See you on our next video.